Hi, my name is Thomas from Animo Engineering, and I want to show you the Clinserts Installation Tool to install these key locking inserts. The first advantage of the Clinserts Installation Tool is that you have these slots here. These slots are designed so the keys of your inserts fit perfectly in those. Second advantage is that you have these holes in the installation tool, so when you're done turning in the insert into your parent material, the keys, the initial driving of the keys is guided through these holes. Afterwards, you turn the tool again to complete the installation. So now I'll show you how to install this. So you put the insert onto the installation tool. You screw in the insert. After that, you just need to do a slight turn. And then you hammer the first part in. After that, you turn the tool again, so you have the flat side of the tool. And now the insert is completely installed and flush with the parent material. Thank you.